Hi, I'm the Bearded Parrot, and this is my third and final part of my tips for Movember. That song's in your head now, and it will be all day. But that's not a bad thing, because it's all about letting it grow. You won't know what a beard looks like until you've let it grow for 4, 5, 6 months. After about a month, you'll think about shaving it off. There's no two ways about it. But it's at that point you've got to drive on. So my top tip for growing in Movember or no shave November, let it grow. Leave a comment below if you're thinking of taking the plunge and growing a beard for no shave November. Share it along your social media just in case one of your mates is thinking of doing exactly the same. Hit a like, hit that subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you know when my next video's landed. And trust me, I'm a paramedic. I'll see you in the next one.